Morning. This is call number 2022-30887 in the interest of Camila Agüero. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Ms. Orozco, are you there?
Yes.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Jasmine Orozco, and I'm her mother.
All right, representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Morning, Your Honor. Kavita Sharma.
Morning. Court will note that Kevin Alexander Agüero is not present. He was personally served on June 11th, 2022 at 7:21 a.m. at 4019 Adonis Drive in Spring, Harris County, Texas. And he's not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Arnaldo Barrera.
All right.
Mr. Barrera, where are you currently employed?
The Office of the Attorney General,
And what is your position at the Attorney General's office?
Child Support Officer.
And can you state for the court what are your responsibilities as a child support officer?
Conduct investigations on calculating child support and back child support.
And these are in compliance with the Family Code?
Yes.
Have you calculated child support in this matter?
Yes, I have.
Can you share your calculations?
Yes. Based on what's being reported from the employer, his monthly gross income for Mr. Agüero is $3,293.33. After taxes and healthcare, his net income is $2,655.02. Calculating child support at 20%, his child support should be $531. Medical support should be $148.
Thank you. And was there any calculations for retroactive child support, Mr. Barrera?
Retroactive child support was not calculated as it was not requested.
Thank you. Judge, I pass this witness.
Ms. Orozco, do you have any questions of Mr. Pereira?
No, sir.
All right, may he be excused, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're excused, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Call
And
your
I'd
next
like
witness.
to call the mother, Jaslyn Orozco.
All right.
Ms. Orozco, how many children are we here for?
Just one.
And how old is your child?
She's one.
And who is her father?
Kevin Agüero.
And Mr. Agüero signed the birth certificate, is that correct?
Yes.
And is it possible that anyone else could be the father at the time of conception?
No, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to name Kevin Agüero as the father of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to appoint both you and Mr. Agüero as joint conservators?
Yes.
Does your daughter live with you primarily in Harris County?
Yes, she does.
And can you describe the relationship between you and Mr. Agüero?
We're not together.
And is there any history of domestic violence or harassment or abuse?
Yes, there is.
And specifically, what is the situation or the issue between you and Mr. Agüero?
Well, he is always harassing me. To this day, he's continuously harassing me.
And have you ever had the occasion to call the police on him?
Yes, I have.
And were any of these incidents in the last 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
And does Mr. Agüero know where you currently reside?
Yes, he does.
And who do you live with?
I live with my father.
And if you move in the future, do you want Mr. Agüero to know where you reside?
No, I do not.
Are you asking the court to keep your address confidential because Mr. Agüero knowing where you live could cause you or the child abuse, harassment, or serious harm?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to do standard visits with Mr. Agüero and your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
And where would pickup and drop off be?
His address, 4019 Adonis Drive.
And who would take your daughter to visit with her father?
My father would.
Okay, and is your child currently covered under health insurance?
Yes, she is.
And do you agree to maintain that health insurance for your daughter?
Yes, I do.
And are you asking the court to order cash medical support beginning February 1 in the amount of $148 a month?
Yes.
And Ms. Orozco, do you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to set current child support beginning February 1, 2023 in the amount of $531 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking for any back child support?
No, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to bill court costs to Mr. Aguero?
Yes.
Thank you. And you've signed this order today believing it's in the best interest of your child?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, Ms. Orozco. Judge, I pass this witness.
What type of harassment are you talking about that you said he's just harassed you?
He's always like texting me a lot, calling me no caller ID. He comes to my house. He harasses my family as well. We called the cops. Well, it's his name calling, and he's entered my house before without we didn't give him permission to enter my house, and he just went in there like 5 o'clock in the morning looking for me. He
Okay. All right. The court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Roscoe, you're free to go. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Which case are you on, Mr. Regla?
I'm here on the Contreras and Guerra Lara case, Judge.
Okay, this is cause number 2021-73875 in the interest of Estefania Contreras. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. He solemnly
Yes.
swear. Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm translating, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let
Go
me
ahead.
let me get them to turn on their video on their phone, Judge. Humberto Contreras, puedes prender tu micrófono y tu video, por favor. Y la señora Claudia Guerra Lara, por favor, también igual puedes prender tu video y tu teléfono. Digo, tu micrófono.
Ya puse el micrófono, pero no puedo poner el video. I don't know why.
We all here now?
I got
Mr.
you.
Regla?
Yes, Judge, everyone's here.
All right. We'll start again. This is called number 2021-73875 in the interest of Estefania Contreras. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn.
Este es el caso 2021-73875 en el interés de Estefanía Contreras. Por favor, levanten la mano derecha para ser jurados.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
¿Juran decir la verdad, toda la verdad delante de Dios?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Bajen la mano, por favor. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Señora, por favor, diga su nombre y la relación usted al niño.
Guerra, mamá.
Claudia Guerra, mother.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Humberto Contreras Mata, and I am the father.
Humberto Contreras Lara Mata, and yo soy el papá.
Counsel, please unmute yourself and tell me your name and who you represent.
Guadalupe Navarro Jr., representing the father, Humberto Contreras.
All right,
El
and
abogado Guadalupe Navarro, representando el papá.
representing the Attorney General State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Y representando el estado de Texas, Luis Regla.
Mr. Regla, we've got an original petition, suit affecting parent-child relationship. What are we doing today?
Yes, Judge, we're approaching the court for referral to district and mediation.
Estamos aquí pidiendo a la corte para que transfiera el caso para la corte de distrito y ordene mediación.
And on what basis do you want this matter transferred?
There is an objection to the associate judge, and there are some equity arguments that are better suited for district court.
Están obsequiando que se oye el caso entre el juez y el asociado y hay otras cosas que no están en acuerdo.
Is that correct, Mr. Navarro?
Yes, Your Honor, we agree with that.
Okay.
¿Es correcto, señor Navarro? Sí, estamos de acuerdo de eso.
All right, then I'm transferring this case to the 312th District Court and the oral mediation is ordered.
Estoy transfiriendo la corte, este caso a la corte 312 y estamos ordenando mediación.
Anything further?
That's all, Judge. Can we be excused?
Wait, Your Honor, I do have a question.
Yes.
Will there be an order for mediation signed that I can then
Yeah.
with the DRO's office?
You can talk to Mr. Regla about that. Okay.
Okay.
It will be- All right. Thank you.
Counsel, I'll send you copies of the mediation and the referral to district.
I just want to make sure Ms. Lara is aware of that. That's an order of the court. We have to participate. Yeah.
Yes, I'll tell her right now.
Thank you. Thank you,
Señora,
Judge.
señora Claudia Lara, te voy a enviar copias de las dos órdenes. Te voy a poner en una sala de espera para que te pueda explicar lo que va a suceder.
Okay.
Counsel, your client, you can disconnect whenever you're ready.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Humberto, you can log out.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Yoff, you handling the Keene case?
No, sir, I have Roman and Lara.
Oh, okay. Who's got the Keene case?
Sorry, Your Honor, the Keene case is no longer going to be a hearing.
Okay.
They agreed to a reset.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What Maria isn't aware of what this is about, Ms. Yoff.
It's going to be a referral to district in order to DRO mediation. It is. Would you like the cause number?
Hold on just a sec.
Okay.
All right. What is the cause number?
2021-17166.
Laeda?
Yes, sir.
And the parties present?
They should be. I've asked them to come over. There we go.
Both
And-
parties?
Yes, Carlos Lara is the father, Crystal Roman is the mother, and Patricia Allen represents Crystal Roman.
All right, good morning. This is cause number 2021-17166 in the interest of Cassie Laeda. All parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves, raise your right hands to be sworn. Okay, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Crystal Roman. Cassie is my daughter.
All right, and representing the mother?
My name is Patricia Allen, representing Crystal Roman.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child?
Carlos Lara, father.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas?
Andrea Eoff.
All right, Ms. Eoff, we've got an original petition and a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, Mr. Lara has already filed his own suit for custody under cause number 2021-19819 in the 310th District Court. That is currently set for trial on January 30th, 2023, and the parties already have a temporary order in that case. We'd like to ask that this case be referred to the District Court and the parties ordered to DRO mediation so that they can continue this over there.
Is that correct, Ms. Allen?
Yes, sir.
All right, then this matter is referred to the 310th District Court, transferred to the 310th District Court, and DRO mediation is ordered. Anything further?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Allen?
That's it, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, Mr. Laera, anything further?